how you can add a glass effect in Figma. So we're gonna use the built-in effect. I want to create, for example, a shape, an ellipse, and this is our shape where we're gonna place the effect of the glass. So make sure it's selected, and you don't have to worry about the color, and on the right go to effects and click plus, and up here select effect, and at the bottom is the glass effect, so select it. And now this is our glass settings window, and now you can customize it. Here is the refraction, also the depth. You can change the angle of the glass. As you can see, the stroke is changing. I'm gonna change it to 100%. And if you want to, you can add here the frost effect, like this one. So you can customize it like you want. And this is gonna be our frost effect. It looks pretty cool. You can customize it like you want and make a glass effect just using this built-in feature in Figma. If you have any questions, leave a comment, make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.